So today we're making shawarma bread using grated carrots, sliced cabbage, shredded chicken, homemade shawarma bread. Link to make this in the description box below. Sausage, ketchup, mayonnaise, and Cameroon pepper.
So let's get to it. First things first, I like to mix my ketchup with my mayonnaise together. So just put in the quantity you feel will be enough for you to use and mix it all up. Just mix it all up until you arrive at this strawberry like color, just like this. Then you can add in your pepper. Add in as much as you like. If you want it very spicy, add more pepper. If you want it less spicy, just add little or no pepper, based on your preference. It's your choice. So the next thing now is to coat the body of our shawarma bread. This part is very optional. I just like to do this because I feel it gives it extra flavor. So just use the mix of mayo and ketchup and rub around the body of the bread, covering all the edges. So once you are through with that, then you can begin to add in your cabbage as much as you like. Also take into consideration your bread size so that it will be able to wrap. So add in your carrots, then next thing your sausage. Then after that you can put in your meat as much as you like. Then just sprinkle a little bit of salt. Then you can add in your mayo mix. So once you are done, just wrap your shawarma just like I did in this video. Just do it gently. Then you take it to the frying pan and fry on the side that is wrapped first, just like this, so that you can seal it. It won't open. Then after a while, you take your spatula and turn it to the other side. I let this one fry on high heat, so that's why it's like that. I wanted it to be crispy. But you can fry yours on medium heat. Once you fry both sides, then you're good to go. So our shawarmas are ready. There's nothing much to it. Once you fry both sides, just remove it and put it on your plate or tray or anything, and you're good to go. Just look at how juicy they are. This is really mouth-watering. I can't wait to taste it. So let's move on to the tasting time, which is my favorite part. I've been waiting for this moment since, and that one in particular has been calling my name. So it's time for me to taste it. Just take a look at the drip. You can see it's not pouring down, it's just there, dripping on its own. Now time to taste it. Oh gosh. Oh my. Oh wow. This is so nice. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.